There are journeys you plan, and then there are journeys that quietly change you. I'm 32 and I call Mumbai my home. Life there never really slows down. Between responsibilities, routines, and deadlines, somewhere along the way, I realized I needed a journey that was just mine. So this time, I traveled alone. Not to escape life, but to experience it differently. And where better than Leh Ladakh? Welcome to episode 1 of my solo journey through Leh Ladakh. Very pleasant weather. I was expecting very much cold, but हाँ बोलिए हाँ I was expecting very much cold, but it's 8 degrees. नहीं नहीं ठीक है चलो. So that's my fully private car for 6 days. Very happy with that. Not going to share with anyone. Yay. So I can see the temperature is around 12 degrees, but not feeling that cold. I'll probably open my jacket also. Probably there is a cloud coverage, so that's the reason it's not that cold. We're heading directly to the hotel, the Nanse. We'll be taking some rest because acclimatization is very important for the first 2 days. After rest and lunch, we'll be heading out for today's sightseeing. I think it will be just nearby. वो शांति स्तूपा रहेगा ना आज साइट सीइंग में. और क्या रहेगा? ले पैलेस and Shanti Stupa. The Nangse Hotel. So I'm going to stay here. हाँ Nangse. हाँ ये. See you inside the hotel. This is the Nangsa Hotel in Leh where I stayed for 2 nights. Remember, it is very important to stay in Leh for 2 nights and acclimatize yourself first. Okay, now coming to hotels booking, I booked all hotels including the Nangse by myself, doing proper research which involves proximity to Leh market and the airport, ratings, food options, etc. My total room charges for 2 nights were approximately 7,000 rupees, which included the breakfasts. My stay was comfortable. Rooms and bathrooms were very clean with hot water available 24/7. Only negative was that there were no room heater and it was extremely cold at night. Drizzling a little bit. So there are 3 floors. This is I think I got the ground floor maybe. So I wanted the topmost floor, but they are saying it's already booked. Let's see. So I'm still waiting for the room to get cleaned, and the check-in time at the Nangse Hotel is 11 a.m. Now it's not exactly, it's 11:08 already. So they'll take some 5-10 more minutes. The first thing that I did reaching here is lots and lots of water, minimum 3 liters of water for first 2 nights in Leh, so that you don't fall sick and don't fall a prey to acute mountain sickness. So my room number is 103. This is the Wi-Fi password. Let's hope the number we got. I already got static shock, so it's very dry. I'm very scared of static shocks, dude. I didn't expect static shocks. Okay guys, so this is my room. I don't know where is the switch there, but I'll open my shoes first. So, oh my god, the floor is wet. It's very cold. I think they just mopped the floor right now. And this is the view from my room. Yes, so that's the view from my balcony. Not bad, but less privacy because I can see there's one balcony almost attached to this balcony. Nice. The bed looks good, clean, and the chairs are sort of royal. Wow. That's water bottle, glass, and I'll just relax now. Okay, so I got my ginger lemon honey tea. Wow, tastes amazing, my god. Superb, very good. And I'll be setting up the tripod right now. Want to take some good videos for my phone. So yeah, let's do that. So I'll be posting my solo pictures and videos, and I'm quite sure after that there will be people who will be commenting, this is not true, you are lying, this is not a solo trip. So this video is for them. So this is how I have set up my tripod, and I'm taking pictures of me having tea. Okay, so lunch is here. I have ordered my lunch in my room itself. I'm too tired to go down now. So I have ordered jeera rice, dal fry, and roasted papad. Simple lunch. So I'm all set for the Leh Palace and the Shanti Stupa. It's quite sunny and my car is already here. Let's go. हाँ चलिए. पहले कहाँ पे जाएंगे? पहले चलते. हाँ चलिए. So all the cars had to stop right here. I got down in the middle, and the Leh Palace is right here. So this seems to be a viewpoint from the Leh Palace. That's how it is.
the Leh Palace, there are many levels. I think there are 6 levels. I am now currently at the 4th level. There are, I think, 1 or 2 levels on top of that. So the more higher you go, the better view you will get, and better landscape for better pictures. Because I'm trying to take pictures from here, I'm getting photobombed by many tourists. So I'll try to go 1 level higher, the highest level, and take some better pictures and videos. So here I am at the second topmost level, which is 8th level. The 9th level is that one, the one you can see there, but the gate is closed. So unfortunately, this is the topmost level as of now. So this is the ground level. The cars are parked here, and this is the entry point. And I am heading towards Shanti Stupa currently. It's not that cold, and inside the hotel it was feeling very cold, so I wore thermals below my sweater also. So kind of feeling quite hot. So going out of Leh Palace is taking quite a long time. It's a very narrow lane, the entry point, and all the cars are stuck. So there is a traffic for almost 15-20 minutes. I'm already stuck.
Do you know what was the best part of this journey? It wasn't the mountains or the roads that took my breath away. It was discovering that I could do this all by myself. At 32, married, and thousands of kilometers from home, I spent 7 days navigating a world that was completely unfamiliar, trusting my instincts, making my own decisions, and taking care of myself. That kind of freedom changes you. Every woman deserves to know what it feels like to be this independent, this capable, this fearless. And perhaps the greatest blessing isn't just finding the courage to travel alone, it's finding a life partner who believes in your wings instead of clipping them.
So here I am at Shanti Stupa. So just let's go inside and see. So I have an entry fee of 50 rupees and only cash is accepted here. Thank you. So there is a uphill to reach here, and I'm kind of bit breathless. So taking 2 minutes break. Entering Shanti Stupa, there is uphill climb. It's almost 10 minutes I'm walking, and if you feel breathless, please do pause and sit in a bench. There are lots of bench available. Have lots and lots of water. Stay hydrated.
Standing at nearly 11,841 feet, the Shanti Stupa isn't just one of Leh's most iconic landmarks. It's where the entire city unfolds beneath you. Surrounded by the mighty Himalayas, every direction feels like a postcard.
This video is to show how I set up my camera and take my pictures. So I have this selfie remote which I'll just click like this and my picture will be clicked. Cool, right? Just took an exit from Shanti Stupa and a landscape view from here should be taken. It looks amazing, amazing. Came back to hotel. Uh, can go to Leh Market in the evening. It's nearby distance, like 10 minutes walking. But I don't feel it's very necessary today. I am more concerned about taking more rest and feeling better. So let's see, if I feel better, then I'll go for a walk in Leh Market. Otherwise, catch you tomorrow again.
So that's the end of the first episode of my solo Leh Ladakh series. Stay tuned for the next episodes. Thanks for watching.